Hello students, welcome to our session. Today we are going to learn about parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjectives, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections. Today we will be learning about nouns. What are nouns? Well, a noun is a naming word. We use noun to refer a person, a place, an object, or an abstract idea. For example, place, hospital, school, police station, etc. The hospital is far away. I go to school every day. Person, Alok, Vidya, dad, mom, etc. Alok is a boy. Vidya is a girl. Object, pen, pencil, bucket, cell phone, etc. Give me my pen. This is my favorite pencil. Idea, creativity, hope, anger, etc. He was in anger. He was in grief. Here are some more examples of a noun. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. The Earth is known as a blue planet. I have a cousin named Hima. Meena has gorgeous hair. Apple is a famous brand. As nouns are vast in nature, there are different types of nouns. They are common noun, proper noun, collective noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, possessive noun, singular noun, plural noun, countable noun, uncountable noun. Let us look at common nouns. What are common nouns? Well, common noun is a noun that is generally defined as a group of people, places, things, animals, etc. Additionally, a common noun is not capitalized unless it is at the start of the sentence. To put it simply, a common noun is a noun naming or denoting all things, person, place or objects, etc. in a manner that is easily understood. To be a noun, a part of a group that is classified as. For example, people. My uncle is a great man. Place, the village is clean. Thing, the computer is destroyed. Animal, tiger is a graceful animal. Now let's look into proper noun. What's a proper noun? Well, a noun that names a specific person, place or thing is called a proper noun. Proper nouns are always capitalized, no matter where they are placed in a sentence. For example, Ram is a nice boy. Here we know Ram, a boy, is a noun. What is the name of the nice boy? His name is Ram. Hence, Ram is a proper noun. Here are more proper noun examples. Person, Meera likes tomato soup. Place, Delhi is the capital of India. Things, Natraj pencil is a famous pencil brand. Now let's look at collective noun. What are collective nouns? Well, collective nouns are nouns in general, naming a group of people, animals, things, etc. Even though collective nouns are extensively plural, they are usually considered so. For example, people, a team of football players, a crew of sailors. Animals, pack of wood, a herd of sheep. Collective nouns have a specific name for many specific groups. Let's look at the following examples. People, crowd, mob, staff, crew, etc. Usage in a sentence. A crowd of people, a mob of angry men. Animals, flock, swarm, shoal, etc. Usage in a sentence. A flock of birds flew in the sky. A swarm of bees near the garden. Things, stack, pile, set, etc. Usage in a sentence. A stack of books on the table. A pile of dirty clothes. Next, let us look into concrete nouns. What are concrete nouns? Well, concrete nouns are nouns that name an object. Concrete nouns are nouns that can be touched, felt and seen. Example, the mat is on the ground. A pretty vase. A red brick. Now let us look at abstract nouns. These are nouns referring to emotions, quality and ideas. An abstract noun cannot be felt, touched, seen, or tasted as they are not a physical object. Examples: emotion, Rahul is in grief, Riya is happy. Quality, honesty is a virtue. The child has courage in him. Ideas: India got independence on 10 August 1947. India is a secular country. Next, we have possessive nouns. Possessive nouns are nouns that show the ownership of any noun or a direct connection. Possessive nouns are shown by the use of apostrophes, and it usually comes after a noun. For example, this is Sam's book. Here, the apostrophe is used to show that Sam is the owner of the book. Furthermore, after the apostrophe, we add to show who it belongs to. This S, however, doesn't mean that Sam is plural. For instance, if it's boys, then we can say it is plural. But when we add apostrophe S, such as boys, here are more examples of possessive nouns. I have Maya's dress with me. This is a dog's collar. Now, let us look into singular nouns. A singular noun is a noun that is just one in number. That is just one person, one place, one animal, and one thing. For example, person, a boy, place, a school, animal, a zebra, thing, a book. Let us look into plural nouns. A plural noun is a noun that is more than just one person, place, animal, or thing. For example, person, boys, place, schools, animal, zebras, thing, books. Usage in a sentence. There is a boy standing next to a class wall. Singular noun. There are boys standing next to a class wall. Plural noun. Now let us look into countable nouns. Countable nouns are that can be counted in numbers. In a sentence, countable nouns are written with an or a. Examples: I have a banana. She has 2 ribbons. Next, let us look into uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are nouns that are huge in quantity and thus uncountable. Example: to have long hair. There is too much noise here. More example of countable nouns. Nina ate 3 apples for breakfast today. My mom bought 3 snacks of rice from a supermarket. My brother drinks 1 gallon of water every day. More example of uncountable nouns. This tea has too much sugar in it. There is a lot of data to read. Let's have some soup. Our soup is made with different vegetables and flavors. When we look at soup, we cannot count the liquid quantity of the soup. Thus, it is an uncountable noun. Similarly, we cannot count data or sugar. Thus, both of them are uncountable nouns. Hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you.